welcome to KidTube. Today we are going to a farm, yes. So I'm going to tell you all about the horse and the animals, yeah. And the horse is my favourite animal. So today we are in here. So and my cousin's going to come, Marcus. And he's so excited, but he's not here now. So we're going to show you for today why he's not here. Yes?
Well, it's coming in a bit, yeah? Okay, fine. So, you ready?
Yes.
Here we go. Go, come on.
Come on, Amy. She got her special JoJo bow, but it's mine.
Okay, fine. So, yeah, that's fine.
Did you hear that noise?
The horse?
No. Did you hear that noise?
Oh, noise. No, I didn't, no.
Is it a cow?
Let's see what it is, yeah? Yeah.
This is the special one. Yeah, we get like a park so you can park your car. So we got a car.
You're talking about all the facilities, yeah? Okay, let's go in. Alright, let's go in, yeah? Yeah, oh, flowers start to come out. Sophia's got some pet food, animal food, yeah? Let's see. Oh, no, darling. Wow. This is what you feed animal with. What does it contain?
It's compressed grass.
Oh, right. Time to go? Yeah?
So now we can feed the animals. Is it for the all animals to eat?
Oh, all of them, yeah. It is, darling, yes.
All they all eat this?
You what, sorry?
So all the animals eat this?
Yeah, it's compressed grass, the lady said. Yeah, I know.
A possum company.
Oh yeah, look, playground for the kids. That's good.
Marcus, my cousin, is here.
Come on, let's go.
I didn't want to go there. No, Daddy. Stop.
What's up?
I want to go there.
Ooh,
I don't
kids
want
area,
to.
yeah? Oh, do you want to put your face in there? Yeah? Do you want to put your face in there?
Amy, go there.
Amy's too small for this, I think, anyway. You got it? Yeah? Cool.
Whoa!
What's that? A cock, yeah? Hello!
Come get your mama. First animals is a clock.
A clock, yeah. And some chicken, some KFC, yeah?
Yeah.
Some KFC. You just said yeah.
Got some eggs as well.
Wow.
Daddy, she gone.
Oh,
My sister.
she's there.
No, where? Oh. Why did you not tell me?
She's just there. Look. Hello.
Mom. Is this dogs?
Look quite dirty. Can you give the food to them? Can you? I don't know. I think it's just like for sheep and cows and that. I think.
So now we got the next animals. I'm thinking the cow.
You think it is? Look at these.
Oh, they're babies.
These are your favourite, aren't they?
Stop.
Don't be scared.
Look at that one. Disgusting. Hey! Stop shouting. Let's see where's the cows.
This is what you want, isn't it? Please do not enter the paddocks. There they are.
Oh, look at this!
Oh, look how small they are.
Oh, buddy, Dad!
Look at this one, look at this one. Are you going to feed one then, Sophia? You what, sorry? Yeah? Look, come here, keep going, keep going. Look at Amy. Oh, look how small they are. Look how small they are. Oh, look at these. They're really cute, aren't they? Can the twins? Yeah.
Let's go that way so we can. I'm scared. I'm scared.
Go on, don't be scared, yeah.
I'm scared.
Yeah.
It's gonna bite me.
It's not gonna bite you, yeah.
I'm scared. I'm scared.
Oh, easy.
Yeah.
No, you go double that. Watch, watch. Watch. See? Easy. Yeah? Make sure you got a flat hand, yeah? Yeah? Don't be scared, go on. Go on, make sure your hand is flat like this. Just like this, yeah?
I got it.
See? Here again. Watch. 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 There you go. Compressed food. Here, here. Wait, wait. Here. Here. That's it. Oh, it just fell off. Here, let me try this again. Oh, it just fell off. Oh, there you go. There you go. You got it? There you go. Oh, look at this one. Look at this small one. Oh, look at this one. Here, that. Oh, Amy's scared. Look. Oh, go on. No, do the same. Do the same. Flat hand. Put your palm flat.
No, I don't want to.
Go on.
I don't want to.
Why are you scared?
I'm gonna get that one. Wow.
You got it?
Yeah. It's so cute. Oh no. No. No, I got it, Daddy. Big feet.
Yeah, make sure your hand's flat. Yeah, yeah.
No.
What's up, Amy? Amy, come here. Come here. Go on, pick it up. Pick it up and it's there, yeah.
Hey, Mummy.
Exactly.
This is so cute.
She wants all of your bag, didn't she? Hey, Sophia, just like this, like that. Yeah, that's it, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Aww. Wait.
Oh, what did she do then?
Ew. Disgusting.
Did you just sneeze? Did you sneeze?
Ew, yes.
Oh, oh no.
Disgusting. I don't want you.
Oh. Oops. Yeah. There it is. Come here. Amy, look. There it is. Look. Look how small she is. Yeah. Let me give some too.
Did Mummy have it? Oh.
Wait.
There you go.
There you go. You got some?
Hey.
Oh, you don't want any?
She's for mine.
No, I think she's full now.
There you go.
Oh wow, look at this horse here. Sophia, look. You see it? I've got a brown one there as well. So look guys, she wants some from... No, she doesn't.
She might be now.
Look, look, look. She'll accept some food from you.
And me.
Well, look, from me. Look at me. Look, look. I'll have a go. And what? Ah! What? Oh, no. Get it. Go on, quick, quick, quick. Here. Take something. Look, see? She won't accept any food from me.
Just leave.
See what I mean?
There you go.
Yeah, I'm gonna... Do you want to see the horses afterwards? Yeah? What's this then, Sophia, eh?
No, that one is Paulie. That one.
Oh, is it? Right.
Oh, no.
Aye.
He's sleeping.
He's actually sleeping, yeah. He was like drunk. He's falling.
There you go.
Oh.
Now we're going to go to the rabbit barn, but I've got still a food.
I don't think you could feed him with this now.
Right?
But you can touch him, I think. Yeah?
I can have it on my hand. I never had that. That noise. No. How do you smell that?
Oh, can you smell that? Oh, that smell. Strong smell, isn't it? Look at these. Okay. Hello.
So this is the first rabbit. It's so cute.
Oh, how big?
Can I have it on my hand, the rabbit?
Guys, look. Look at these. Look how small they are. Oh, look how small they are.
They're so cute.
They're only baby rabbits, aren't they?
Yeah, they are.
Go on, keep going then. Come on, keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Did you see those little chickens up here? Look. So you ready to wash your hands? Yeah?
So this is like the soap. Do you know why you have to wash your hands? Because they've got germs and things.
Germs and things, yeah? Yeah.
I don't even like
So it's time to go now, is it? Yeah. Home time, yeah?
Oh no. So sorry.
Amy's washing her hands as well, yeah? Do you want to dry your hands? Yeah?
This is how we have to dry your hands.
Okay, don't forget to bin it, yeah? Over there, that's it. You got it? Cool. So what are you going to say to the camera? What are you going to say?
It's all for today. I hope you liked this video. So like the button and subscribe. And see you soon on the next video. Bye!